Alright, I want to go over some distinguishing features of some of the most popular philodendron right now. There's been a slew of people listing things for sale or trade, and it's not really the plant they say it is, and I'm not entirely sure that that's intentional, so I figure I would go over some of the differences. The most common, I think, is the Cream Splash, Philodendron Cream Splash. This one has a green leaf with cream and light green in the center. This silver is a little bit more rare on the Cream Splash, but the new growth on mine, this actually isn't quite new. I have cut it down. You can see right here. Let me see. The new growth has kind of a silver stripe going on, so this is where you can really tell how difficult it is to distinguish. Look. There's an older leaf that has a touch more cream. More cream. So this one, it's very easy to confuse with a silver stripe. Super easy. I would say this one is a Cream Splash because it does have more cream than the silver stripe that I have, which I'll show you in a minute or in another video. This one has both elongated and sort of the normal philodendron leaf shape, so really hard to tell. In fact, this one can almost pass for a Rio. However, a Rio will not, that I've seen, that I've dealt with personally, firsthand, Rios do not have this lime green, this light green in the center, which is like that there. Let me see. This lime green here. Let's see. Yeah, that's an actual lime green. That's not cream over the normal leaf. That is a lime green variegation. So this kind of silver out here is more of the cream over the green. That's what that looks like. That's what makes up the silver. So another plant that I received as a Cream Splash, it came very poorly. It was limping. It was hard to keep alive. This is one of the original leaves. You can see kind of creamy at the bottom. And as it's grown, it's more of a lime green, so it looks a lot like a Brazil, but it's not. I've never had a Brazil so, let's say, stripy. So this also passed off as a Cream Splash. I can't say that it is. I can't say that it isn't. However, I don't think it's a Brazil. So, all right. That's going to be it for the Cream Splash. We will come back with the silver stripe.